Hi everyone! So this is a real, very quick Zoom or virtual meeting makeup. Right now, mag-start na gid ko. Kaya na ako ika-meeting, okay? Elana, sinitagan ni Stay Fresh Setting Spray. Dali-dali lang. And then, while that dries up, I'm gonna use my lip balm. I have around 5 to 10 minutes to finish this off. Ready na ako. Wait! Make sure dapat na kayo alcohol ka sa imuhang hands. And then, moisturizer. Very quick. Okay, wait. Mag-BB cream lang ko. Kani BB-holic. Oh my gosh. Hands and then just rub it. So if you think that you need more, add lang good. Just add some more, especially if your cheeks. And then dry it down sa inyong neck. Okay, pa-dry a little bit, and then I'll use my Elana cream foundation. Actually, consider foundation siya, but I'll just use it for here. Looks like this, and then spread it lang. See? I need the threading. Okay, next. Then I will use my Elana powder foundation. Akong gimix ang French vanilla and hazelnut. So just to set everything very quickly. Okay. Mineral makeup. When you use mineral makeup, use a brush like this. Para toner na ako rin palit sa Shopee. Yung maning gift sa ako, no? Sa una. And then, kani pa akong favorite travel size. Just anything that looks like this. And then, just apply it in circles. See the difference? Oh, sorry. Okay. On to the next side. Press, especially here, it's under eye. Press, and then buff. Buff. Okay, just enough. Okay, once it's done, I like to go with kwan na lang bronzer. Ang akong gamiton ron is the Vice Cosmetics bronzer in For Sure, and then my Sigma brush. So here lang para dili kayo ta looking pale sa Zoom meeting. Here, around, in circles. Yep. And just blend it sa jawline, sa ears gamay. Okay, at least na color ang face. And then what I do is what's left sa ako ang brush. Di putol ni Mikey ang brush. Jeez. Igunting niya. So you just squeeze it like that, and then for your nose. 4 minutes na. But I'm almost done, promise. Okay. Okay, once that's done, I'm gonna take this Elana cream blush in, I forgot the name, Italiana, and then brush like this, just tip it, and then sa apple sa cheeks. See, I still have some pimples diha, but I think it's because sometimes late ko makasleep Because galisod na ko og sleep at night kay heavy na kay ako ang tiyan. Yep. But at least nana-color akong face. So this product, you cannot use this in your eyes. Only for the cheeks and for the lips. So once that's done, I get a brush like this and get the highlighter. This is Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. Pretty kayo. And then just dust it here. Just dust it there. Gusto lang ko. Okay. Nilidayan. And then add more sa because o diba? Nails and promise I'm almost done. Wait lang. Saan ako ni? And then we can add Elana. So ganit ni siya. Lip and Lux lip stick. It's my favorite. Grabe ka. Pigmented. See? Okay, once that's done, promise we're almost done. Curl your lashes. And what I like about Elana, bitaw, ilang, what do you call this, container for their foundation powders. Okay, ma-use ninyo as your mirror. So, coat lang nato tong lashes. I'll just use this as my mirror. And then, close up. Close up. Okay. This one. Here, this side. Wala lang ba? Kanang simple lang. Presentable for the meeting. Para ignan pod nga nag-effort pod tagpagwapa, oy. Diba? Okay. Lastly, naulahi ko karon sa eyebrow makeup. I'll just get this huge mirror. Para sure nga matarong og kilay, cause kilay is life. I think sa Daiso na ako inabaygan inga pang kilay. So, let's just do a natural kilay. Kaya ra ba nako? Of course. This is how I do it. Very gently fill in the gaps. The gaps guild. Here, ibabaw gamay. Because my husband likes it kung baga daw akong kilay. Oh, baga na akong kilay, wala pa ko'y threading. But that will do. Okay, wait. Tapos na kaya akong kilay, see? Okay. Wait up. Wait lang. Almost done. This is the last part. How are you guys during quarantine? Ako sige ra ko work gihapon. I love my work. And I'm doing extra effort sa work before ko manganak. Kaya hapit na August na ko manganak puhon. Okay, I guess that's done. Para lang klaro ang kilay. Aha! That's done. Done. And then take that Elana spray again and just spray. Gusto lang ko. Done! O diba? Pila na ka minutes? 10 minutes. Perfect. So, thank you for watching. Wish me luck sa ako ang ka-meeting karon sa Zoom. I'll just fix my hair. Mag-earrings na lang din ko and then. Bye!